They got dragon anyway.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Oh my god, Weavy. Oh my god! Oh my god! That was insane!
It was just about to come into my open mouth.
Oh my god, Dylan. Oh!
Oh, I didn't think he was gonna dodge it.
Get him!
I bet he can't even see me hiding behind
him. Yeah, no, he's gonna come. Watch, he's gonna ulti me.
Oh my god. Oh! He fucking got you. Unlucky. Yeah, Dale. Oh! Oh my god, no!
Oh my god, why'd you run back? Oh,
Why did you run back?
oh my
Could've
god.
killed him. How the fuck did I die, minion?
You missed
I could've killed him!
What?
What? Get him. Kill him.
Has been slain.
Why are you asking me what?
The ruins of these isles rise to smite.
Can you clip that? I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but I flashed.
Let Nork go.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Look! Oh my god! What?
Oh my god. Oh.
Really?
No, he'll come.
Yeah.
He'll come for dragon, here it is.
Let Sean go first.
Eh?
No, LT.
That's funny. Alright, now free fight.
Very good. Relax.
Sorry.
Almost like Vayne Scales.
Yeah, she was like so easy for me to just run down before. Oh, the CC chain. Oh my god, if he dies off that. Oh, that was fucking insane. Oh, no, we're okay.
The bait.
What? What? Hey, did you just see that?
Yeah, what the fuck? Why is it not charging? Hello?
It charged, but it did no damage.
What the fuck? Nah, we're doing alright. Look, our minion's taking care of it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, you wanna see something funny? Oh my
You can't handle it, there's a rag.
It came back!
A fucking support.
It came back!
I'm fucking dying!
Dude, why would he not?
Oh, fuck! Round 2 hook! Yeah, boy!
Oh god. Wow.
Yeah, I'm joking, I can't do it for life. Ah! Yeah!
Hey. Thanks, Jason. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm fucking dying!
Dude, why would he not?
Oh, fuck! Round 2 hook! Yeah, boy!
Oh god. Wow.
Mid? Dean?
Battle is a dance, and the
Oh my god, I'm bringing two. I'm bringing two boys.
you will not fail.
Cool. Sorry, I'm like, I got snapped back from my E, so it's a lot
Okay.
better. Did he flash? He
No, dude! Unkillable?
Unkillable, mate. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Dylan, bro.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Ah,
That's a clip.
that face.
That's a clip.
Please
no
clip
idea.
it, Dylan. What? Can you please clip that?
Fighting for
Honestly.
guys can just bully in.
That's in your town.
Let me finish it with my Q.
Yep. Can it do more than my 1.8k Mega Smite? Because if not, I don't know, man.
Stay a bit careful.
Oh my god. 5 HP.
Oh!
Fuck.
Well, you got the pile drive onto the other one, but it got you
Nah.
killed.
I think they dodged it.
No, no,
No, like, I wasn't there when I did the ulti.
bruh.
Nothing counted.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Malphite's coming now. Malphite has ulti, does. Oh, Penta! Oh. you got cocked. Fuck him up, Malphite! One hit. Oh, you killed Dave without even hitting? Peppa Penta.
I got
Yeah, I was already here.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. I've been going. I've been going. Oh, I can't go. Sorry.
Where's our
I've been going
baboon?
there. Sorry, I had to kill something. I can't go.
We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Oh my god.
Okay, okay.
Why didn't they end? What the fuck? Brain dead?
Your turret has been destroyed.
I feel like we can win this still.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Literally would have lost just then if they just ran down mid.
Yeah, but
That is.
Did anyone clip it?
Oh my god.
Money is flowing, encouraging Holland. I'm walking also wanting and I'm coming and going. Constantly towing and company line. I'm fucking up the design till it looks like it's mine. Stuck in prime like it's a burden. Trying to blend in as a person, but it isn't working. ET with a cross face hoodie on the wrong way. Been awake for 1 hour like it's been a long day. And an even longer week. Going like Jesus on the beat. Oh my G-A-W-D-Y. What's the point of being sober if I still seem high? Time will tell the tale, I can never fail. If this mess I made, masked by the smell of veil. A life for hell for sale, less than half the price. And charge you twice and then we bail. Bye. Oh my G-A-W-D-Y. Oh my G-A-W-D-Y.
Oh, I just made sure I clipped that. I just clipped it. Dude, that was the craziest start ever. 13-11, dude. What the fuck? 26 kills.
Cost has 7 kills though.
Holy shit, dude. He would have got so many kills from post death.
Yeah.
the A-ramping bot.
Dude, I'm doing my first clear with fucking blue form. There's someone here.
Coming.
Oh, look at that.
I think they went bot. Oh no, he's there. Oh my god. Nah.
Look at them off tower, what the fuck?
Darker.
Dude, this is epic.
What?
I completely forgot that like scuttles would have spawned like immediately. Yumi's name is Malphite only. Well, obviously not. Like Cogmore looks like a fucking Murloc.
Bro, it looks like he's got an arsehole for a throat.
Something like that.
대체 누가 탑이야?
And if you have magic like Yumi, why the fuck do you need glasses? Just heal your fucking eyes. Big invade. Let's go. We go here until, you know, the 10 seconds after the perfect time, you know.
When can you get blue ward? I can't get it at the start.
Level 9.
Let's see. Apparently, I should try blue ward on blue cane, which kind of makes sense.
Yeah, I think Sam's supposed to get it at level 9 too. You can drop a blue ward and then hit your ulti. Perfect. All AFK. I'm gonna hook burst, okay, Jason?
very 어디 게?
Interesting. And they went like this, and they're coming back.
No.
We'll see them on ward. Where the fuck are they?
Yeah, really.
They're just in fucking base the whole time. Hey, there we go. So much damage.
Oh. Oh, there.
No.
Nice.
Sam with doubles again.
Aku.
Oh shit.
Dylan, coming. Come run this way.
Oh,
my
attack!
God.
Both of you missed. I'm coming. This is epic, dude.
Oh.
This is fucking epic. Dude, I'm gonna have form. Like,
I'm coming. Got him.
please! Oh! Holy fucking so funny, dude.
What the fuck? I have 900 gold?
Yeah,
What?
I had like 1k. They're not stopping?
Oh,
fuck.
you idiot.
Oh. Coming.
More coming here. Coming.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
we're still going.
No.
Coming.
This is fucking hilarious!
What? Sao?
Coming. I got him.
Nice.
Oh my god!
What?
Dude, I have blue form! What the fuck?